Well, this is the project for the day. Little hose reel for the air compressor. Weakest point's this. This is about 14 gauge. Kind of a little bit wobbly. It's all the deflections in this metal here. I don't want to take the time to box it though. There's not going to be a lot of weight. The hose I've got's the Flexzilla type, and it's probably 3 pounds or so. This is the welding cart I built a few weeks ago. 150 cubic foot tank, 10-inch wheels, pneumatic. I believe those are 5 inches in the front. These are swiveling casters. Little spot for, get a flashlight. Little spot for my grinder there. Tape measures, bench vise, grinder, steel worktop. Always grounded. Little 140 meg. Most of what I do is body work. Light fabrication. Then chop saw, a couple of vice grips and odds and ends, a couple of little holders there for abrasives, and a wire wheel at the bottom that's just hung by a coat hanger. Pens, those are actually markers, 2 black, 2 silver, and then that's my beer holder. Right now I've got little welding magnets in it. So a little tray for a little brush and some dikes for cutting off the ball tip. So that's pretty much it. Just thought I'd saw a bunch of welding cart videos up on YouTube, so I figured I'd throw one up myself. Enjoy.